another awakening for me was when my grandchildren came on this earth. That was a major wake-up call, because now I have to be more conscious about where I live. And where I live, I don't mean my house, I mean my community, right? Now all of a sudden it's more important because I know they're going to have to exist and live in this place, right? So it's no longer a question that I'm okay with it. I want it to be a better place where they now can have a more, sustain a life of happiness, of productivity, of, all that good stuff. So that's a whole different level of need to do something, need to play, I need to become more accountable and play my role, and not just be another one of those individuals that's just riding through it and say, hey, I'm okay. But you're not okay if others are not. You talk about community, they're just they're the one motivating me to act. It's one thing to say, I have a responsibility. It's another thing to act on your responsibility. So we've always had that responsibility. Some people resist it, but we know we do, right? But it's another thing to act on it. So I'm going to do something about it. Because intellectually, right, we know. But do you really know until you start to do something about it? So we got to get out of that intellectual or academic space and become more practical and start to turn those words into actions and into results, right? So that's a place that we need to spend more time there, I think.